Blackthorn stick.
So you already listened to Drunk Engager. The next one
So if I didn't like Drunk Engager, am I not gonna like Blackthorn stick?
We'll see. I find it very similar to Junkin. Obviously, it's also 15-15. It's got a lot of peppermints in it.
My eyes kind of glaze over.
It's like this set is also very heavily used.
I would put this behind Rodney's, but in front of Humors of Bandon.
I would actually put this on the back end of B.
Well, then top of C then.
Cause I'd probably do Blackthorn over 3 Cs.
Oh.
But I'm weighing this is a together thing, so.
Well, then let's put it behind 3C.
Right there.
Yeah.
I think that's a good spot for it. It's fine. It's 15 bars. It's a long set, so it's one of the longest jig sets, so it's very heavily used.
Sure.
Beyond that, I'm like, it's a fine set.
Yeah,
I think there's more storytelling going on in Vanishing Lake. I think Charlady, again, very underused. I think that could tell a better story, have more personality.